Welcome to Knowledge Labs Cloud Computing Training. Let's start with the Amazon Web Services training today. So to get started with Amazon Web Services, we need to log into aws.amazon.com. Click over here, click on AWS Management Console. So we have our own account, so we'll be using that. So this account, where when you need to create your account, you need to provide your credit card. So let's log into that. So these are all the set of services available from Amazon Web Services. Amazon Web Services, as the name says, it is a set of several services, remote-based cloud services, which is all available on the cloud. And so primarily we will be concentrating right now on Amazon EC2. EC2 is your infrastructure as a service provider, which is what we have already seen under the service models of cloud, which provides you on-demand provisioning of infrastructure, which means instances will be provisioned to you on demand. So let's see how to create your own instance. So this is Amazon EC2 console dashboard. So I'll just take you through what are all the actual key topics that we will be covering under EC2. This instance list should list you what are all the instances that is all running. So in Amazon EC2 we call something as instances. Instances are all nothing but the actual machines that is all getting created and provisioned to you. So now we have 3 instances created for us. So these are all some instances that is running for our own purpose. So we have other instances that is all already stopped. So to launch your instance, click on launch instance. So this is how you use to launch an instance. So this is where your launch instance pages. You have something called AMIs. AMI stands for Amazon Machine Images. You have something called volumes. Volumes are all on-demand storage solutions on the cloud. When you want to run your instance and you might require some extra 200 GB, if that is the case, you need to create a volume that is nothing but a hard disk on the cloud, so you can dynamically attach to your instances without even stopping or restarting your services. So security groups refer to something called firewall rules. So this defines what are all the security parameters and the actual firewall rules, access rules for your services that is all running inside your Amazon Web Services instances. So you have something called load balancer. Load balancer is your Amazon Web Services high availability or load balancing concept, which once created you can add several instances to balance the load for. So let's start with Amazon EC2 launch instance in the next class.